In a growing city like Auckland, business travels at the speed of light. With a booming economy and a bustling population, the city is using more electricity than ever before. But how long can this last? If we want to protect the resources of future generations, people around the world will need to cut back on rampant power usage and waste. That means Aucklanders too. The UN considers energy efficiency a big part of the sustainable consumption and production goals. And with our help, Plug and Save can help us achieve those goals. If we want to cut down on the usage of pollutant fossil fuels, we need to start saving electricity altogether. 80% of global energy production comes from fossil or nuclear sources, and household appliances are responsible for much of this waste. Plug and Save is an outlet attachment which records your power habits to notify you of potential waste and let you run your outlets automatically or through an app. The problem tree reveals the widespread impact of energy waste. Keeping lights on, leaving outlets on, and leaving air conditioning units on are three of many root issues present in developed households. Energy overuse is the problem. In combination with other factors, global energy consumption has increased over 13% since 2009. This is the energy equivalent of 1.6 billion metric tons yearly oil usage. Burning fossil fuels, driving up power costs, and causing light pollution are some of the severe after effects. For example, 35% of electric light is wasted, and by 2050 the world will install 1.6 billion AC units. Those same air conditioners will release over 4 billion metric tons of CO2 into the air each year, constituting both widespread and deep effects. Use your household appliances normally for a period of 4 to 8 weeks, and Plug and Save will start learning about how you can do it better. By detecting power draw patterns, Plug and Save can deactivate such devices when they're not being actively used, even if the user is sleeping or out of the house. Given enough time and data, Plug and Save can even run your electronics for you, activating your regular appliances like heaters, lights, or kettles, based on its knowledge of your routine. Furthermore, it can provide notifications and warnings when it senses electricity waste. A smartphone app will let users control Plug and Save units from wherever and whenever, a major improvement over standard outlet switches. Vampire appliances are prominent agents of energy waste, with effects like American households wasting over 60% of their consumed energy. Appliances present in households across the world draw power at rates far higher than we actually use. For example, electric heaters can be up to 3 times as expensive as central heating, and 95% of a phone charger's power is wasted on standby. If the adoption of Plug and Save is widespread, then we can investigate the effectiveness of our product by analyzing the improvement in average household energy consumption, with the function of kilowatt hours as a key performance indicator. The more people start using Plug and Save, the sooner the whole world can live cleaner, cheaper, and more convenient lives, free of waste and want.